guys, are you there? Are you there? See you live. You click on this video because you saw the word sex. You're like, oh my gosh, Deborah's gonna talk about sex. Since I've got your attention, let me read this passage. At least you learn something from this video, okay? First Corinthians chapter 2. No, chapter 7 verse 2. But because of sexual temptation, each man must have his own wife and each woman his own husband. You understand? 1 for 1, not 2 for 1. Not, it's not buy one get one free sort of lifestyle. It's not, you know, 1 for 1. Simple. 1. What attracted me to your mother was her smile. I love the way she smiled. I love the way she prayed. But her smile. Which smile? Oh boy, crowd. You mean the smile? The aspirational smile? Hey. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Coco's Beauty. And today I'm going to talk about a topic that is really important to me. Yeah, basically I don't feel that you Christian. I'm going for the Christian because, you know, I just want to come for you guys today, okay? Like my Christian adults, like you guys are really candid enough about sex, marriage, relationships. I just feel you guys don't tell us nothing. Like, I want to know. Like, you guys make it seem as if,
oh my daughter, as I was walking down the street and I saw your mother, an angel appeared from heaven and shone a light on her as she was walking. Even an arrow from heaven came down and said, this is your wife who I'm well pleased. And then God sent a little dove to float on her head, and then she left a little mark here. And then as she met her, she said, oh, the dove, the mark that God has left. I knew you were the one for me. So I just grabbed her and went to the altar.
no, was there no process? Was there no, like, a little bit, like, you went out for some dinner, like, you know, like, you struggled, like, yo, maybe you wanted to kiss her, but you're like, okay, let's not do this, because that's not God's way. You know, there's different things, like, you guys don't even tell us nothing. I don't like it. You guys are not honest enough. I want to know that stuff. And then you make it seem as if, this is the annoying part, yeah. Yes, you have to pray, and, you know, but you're making it seem you were not, like, physically attracted to her or something, as if, or you could,
what attracted me to your mother was her smile. I love the way she smiled. I love the way she prayed. But her smile. Which smile? Oh boy, crowd. You mean the smile? The aspirational smile? Was it the aspirational smile or bubbly? Aspirational? Bubblational. So I said, hey, what a pimp! What a toe! Before you even like moved to the gallum yet, before you like moved to her, you obviously saw her like a bit, I don't know what it was, but you obviously see her like a bit attractive in some way. It wasn't
just because you was a prayerful woman and that she had a nice smile. You people, come on, man. You mean the smile at the back or smile at the front? Okay. No, I'm serious. Like, you guys make it seem as if you were singing to her when you're trying to, like,
on our praise. You're singing on our praise. And mighty God, we exalt you.
No, you weren't. You're singing, we belong together. Hey, what's that other song? So sick of. Maybe it's a bit too early in the time for you guys, but I don't know what song you guys singing. This song brings something to my heart. Affairs of the heart. You know, you guys make it seem so.
I met her. I knew she was the one. I prayed about her. We took her to the altar.
You guys need to be a bit more honest. I want to know stuff like that. I really want to know. Maybe I'm just a nosy person, but I want to know. I don't know if you guys went on dates. I want to know, like, where you guys went. Like, you know. The thing is, already we don't think you guys are relatable. Like I said, I'm going to walk out to my mom, you know, I got a boyfriend. Like, we already don't think you guys are relatable. We already think you guys don't even understand what we're going through in this life at this stage. And then now you're painting a picture of, oh no, I never had a boyfriend. When I met your father, I knew he was the one. He's what? Really? Is that really how it happened? If it's really how it happened, then cool. But I don't think a lot of you are being honest. Like, you know, being honest. And I think you guys would help us a lot. Because after all, like, mom says this thing, whenever I say something, and then she'll be like, we've been at your stage before. Yeah, you guys have been there. So you guys are probably the best people that we can talk to about things like this. Instead of our friends who are basically like, what did they know? How much more do they know than us, you know? So, like, you guys are totally the best people. But you guys are not making yourself relatable. You're making yourself seem like you're doing this whole spiritual thing, or like, I just saw her and I knew she was the one, blah blah blah. There was no, we don't lie about it. You don't say that it was her smile when it was really her smile. Okay. Can I get an amen? Oh, but there's one thing I like to do here. I love if I'm not actually, if you're a married couple, then wait, I'll be coming to you soon. I love to ask how they met. I love asking that. Like, it gives me so much joy, and I love the face. Like, I asked this couple when I was in Ghana. I'm like, how'd you met? To this day, the guy, we've not finished our conversation though. I asked him how they met, and like, it's so funny to see both points of view. The woman's like, oh, you know, he's chasing me, and the guy's like, oh no, she liked me from the start. It's hilarious. And the most, like, the priceless moment is the smile on the lady's face. Honestly, it was as if she was like reminiscing, on the good times and like how it happened. I'm sure
Sure, they had a good night that day. Okay, but they allowed, not you, small girl, boyfriend, girlfriend. They allowed because they have to, you know, the symbol of ring it. Okay.
yeah. So I love, honestly, I love asking people that. Yeah, guys, be more honest. I want to know if you had a few boyfriends before you went with my dad. I want to know if you had, you know, I want to know stuff like that. It makes you guys seem more relatable, like I said, because already we think you guys are so far from it, like old people. So yeah, if you're more honest, I'm sure you'll be able to do more good than harm. And the whole, like, if you struggle with stuff, like, I'm sure a lot of you may have, like, older people, obviously you struggle with stuff when you're younger, and you know, I know if it's like porn or something, you might be a bit embarrassed, but that can be your testimony. You feel me? Like, sometimes I don't feel like I have a real testimony. Like, you know, when you go places and then people are like,
16 years I was addicted to alcohol. Every single night I'll be drinking it. Every single night. But now God has delivered me. I just want to thank him because I've not touched a drop for 3 whole years. I just want to.
and I'm sitting there going, yeah,
I used to drink water all the time, but since 2 weeks now I've limited my water. Like, I have all this deep stuff like
blood. I used to smoke a joint every night, yeah. I used to smoke 3 joints every night, yeah. But now, God save me. You know, like, they had this deep stuff, and I'm like, I should have done something right. Maybe I should have done something so I have something to say. I'm kidding. I'm joking, y'all. Don't do nothing, okay? I'm sure a lot of us in that boat where we don't feel like we're that.
you know, now that I'm a Christian, before I wake up at 6 and I'll go straight on Facebook, but now in the morning I have my quiet time and I thank God for that. Also, I used to steal from their pots. I used to steal a few money from my mom pet, and now God has delivered me. And also, before I was very disobedient. When my mom would call me, I'll not reply, but now I just want to.
You know, it doesn't seem as deep as...
I used to go drinking every night, yeah. And then I shot the guy. I shot him through the head because he stole my girl. You know,
it just doesn't compare, and you're feeling the thinking,
lads, maybe I should have done something bad, yeah. Maybe I should have went out and did some shakara hara hara shakara hara. But nah, don't do it, don't do it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
yeah. So that could be your little testimony, like, you know, once I was here, but now I'm there. I really feel that if you guys talked about it more, you'd be helping a lot of our youth. And I love, the thing I love is, I love to hear people's experiences. I love that, because there's a difference between, let's say like a marriage counselor who went to, like, I don't know, did I have like a marriage counselor school or something? I don't know. There's difference between knowing academic side of things and actually going through something. That's why I love Tanya TKO. That's why I really love that lady, because she would say, okay, I've been through this relationship, this is what I learned, this is what I'm telling you, this is what I gained from it. You know, you can't really dispute someone's own personal life experiences. You know, you can't, but if someone is just went to school and like, okay, this is what it says, this is the system, it's a whole different story. But with someone's own personal experiences, like, this is what I went through, this is what I learned from it, and this is what I'm telling you, you can't really dispute that. And I love to hear people that talk about experiences. So guys, parents, aunties, uncles, if we ask you a question like, did you have a boyfriend when you're younger? Don't be like, oh no, I went to church every night. Let us know. Do you sneak out the house? Like, where did you work? Did you visit him in another city? You know, let us know. You had a little feelings, you thought, oh, maybe not, but you had to hold yourself back because you know you have to do it God's way. Because if you do it God's way, God will bless you. And honestly, I'll be the first one out. If I'm cool with you like that, I'll totally ask you if you're a virgin or not. I don't know why I like asking that question, but I like asking that question. I'm like, are you a virgin? Are you a virgin though? Oh, cool. It's not like even to judge you, nothing. I just need to know, like, you're a virgin, I'm a virgin. Be like, okay, cool, we're the same blood. Like, if you're not, then I know that once it hits 6 o'clock, yeah, I better be making my way home because your little friend might want to come out to play adventures. And I don't do adventures before the ring. I'm joking. I'm kidding. That's not why I asked. I'm just... Okay, basically, guys, I know it's Christian hours, and I'm going to the Christian because that's, you know, that's my little sector, okay? So just be more candid. If you ever ask us a question, let us know. Don't be so like, God spoke to me and told me that she's the one I should marry, so I'll walk up to her. And I'm sure you guys had like few people before you met this person, cause, you know, and how did you know they were the one? Like, I want to know stuff like that. It's just so juicy. Because honestly, you guys are the best people for us to talk to than our friends who are like, how much do they really know? You guys have been there, done that, got the t-shirt, you know. So yeah, we'll ask you a question. Be candid, be honest, you know. Anyway guys, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the whole topic, and if you are an adult, Christian adult, in the, you know, leave one little advice for us, please. For us youngsters, just leave one little advice at the end, what you've learned about relationships, and you know, someone might be reading through it, and then yeah, so please, if you are in that sector where you're married, you've gone through this whole jizz, or you're in a, like, you've been in like a really long-term relationship, put a little advice below, just one sentence, I beg of you. If you're not gonna leave it, don't leave a comment. You feel me? Yeah, don't leave a comment. Okay, just put a little advice like, I have learned that. Okay, yeah. Or just write what is the most important thing that you have learned in your relationship. It's probably patience, trust, communication. Hey. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Say what? Fetchy. Power. With me. And after that you want to pump and grind with me.
No, don't pump and grind. Aish, I crop not power. Oh yeah, pimp.
Kai.